Wuxi is a city located in the core of Yangtze River Delta region, north to Yangtze River and south to Taihu Lake. The city is rich with cultural heritage and full of commercial viability. In 1996, New Age Alternators Company Limited, the inventor of the first self-regulated generator and the first brushless alternator in the world, as well as producing the widest range of alternator products, announced they would be opening in Wuxi. Since then, the now Cummins Generator Technologies China Company Limited has become a people-oriented market leader. It grows together with employees, customers, and communities, whilst focusing on its global technologies and network. The long-term cooperation started as early as when customer got the first STAMFORD generator products in 1997. They are familiar with STAMFORD generators, which feature stable performance and fast response before and after sales.
这些都是相互信任的基础。
We are responsible for product development and maintenance. We carry out simulation analysis, prototype producing, and reliability verification to ensure that our generators meet customers' demands, international standards, and Cummins generator engineering specifications, from power ratings to protection requirements, and to temperature rise and waveform characteristics.
我们确保斯坦福 AvK 产品在客户端可靠运行，多年的实践证明，他们可以。
To the north, the snow and ice did not stop our pace to Heilongjiang. To the south, we experienced sweltering summers in Hainan. To the west, we were struck by the ethnic styles in Turpan, Xinjiang. On railway lines of China and worldwide, our generators have been stayed in place for 20 years. For customers, they care not only for generator reliability, but also services reliability. Behind the service team in China, we have global service partners, providing on-site services for Cummins generator products around the world.
我的主要工作是了解客户的困难和需求，在最短的时间到客户现场，负责康明斯发电机的维修。
We would talk with the system integrators or the suppliers of other genset parts in order to deliver optimized solutions to our customers. At the same time, we also work with OEMs to explain or train the end users on how to solve the problems encountered during routine operation. These are all driven by a win-win philosophy, which is one of the value packages provided with STAMFORD AvK generator products.
我们的主要工作是为客户选择正确的发电机，提供经济的整体解决方案。
The purpose of investing in this automotive equipment is to more efficiently produce products that stably perform more in order to shorten lead times and therefore allow customers to get more stable STAMFORD generators as early as possible.
我负责场内设备维护以及新设备的引进。
In recent years, enormous changes have been made to production line layout, workers' skill level, the manufacturing standards, as well as the production philosophy. We, together with our team, learned skills for safe and lean production.
我与公司共成长，在康明斯发电机已经工作了20年。
Cummins Generator Technologies China Company Limited encourages diversity of communities to enrich employees' cultural life. The company not only respects and promotes employees to improve their capacities within the company, but also encourages them to contribute to their own communities beyond the company. We try our best to contribute to improve the communities in which we are living. That kind of joy is indescribable. Over a century, the diverse employees of Cummins Generator Technologies have provided power solutions to all of our customers in many sectors around the world, including power plants, railways, ports, and oil fields. With our quality products, professional and technical capability, customized solutions and fast responding ability, we are an established leading brand in the China market. Cummins Generator Technologies, an enterprise with over a century's history, works for customers, employees, and communities. We work to serve your business.
我们是康明斯人。